Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. I'm really excited today because today I'm going to make one of my all-time favorites, pecan pie. My Aunt Eileen used to make these every Thanksgiving when I was growing up, and I loved them. A little dollop of whipped cream on top of that beautiful pecan pie had me smiling for days. Stay tuned, everybody. I'm going to show you this quick and easy recipe to get you all set for tomorrow's holiday.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven at 350 degrees. Then we're going to take 3 room temperature eggs, and we're going to go ahead and put that in a large bowl, and we're going to scramble those up. Make sure not to get any shells in there. Nobody likes that. And then we're going to go ahead and stir. Scramble. Once those are nicely incorporated, we're going to go ahead and take 1 cup of brown sugar and add that into the mix. Once that's mixed in, we're going to take 3/4 cup of corn syrup. We're going to put that in as well. Now, I know a lot of people think corn syrup is a little unhealthy, but 'tis the season. Let's have a little bit of fun. I'm going to get that nicely incorporated. And we're going to take 4 tablespoons of melted butter that has been cooled. Make sure to cool your butter because you don't want the butter to cook your eggs. Very important. We're going to go ahead and mix that in together until we get what looks like a beautiful caramel color. And then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you're using salted butter, just omit the salt. And a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, as well as a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Really brings out the flavor in the pecan pie. Don't forget the vanilla. We're going to go ahead and mix that together. And that is what you need right there. Super easy, guys. Now we're going to take a prepared pie pan, and we're going to have the pecans added to that. We're going to add about 1 cup to 1.5 cups. Make sure to judge it based on your pie crust. And then we're going to go ahead and pour that liquid we just mixed up together right in. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, guys. That's just liquid gold right there. I got a little space, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the pecans. Make sure to fill in all of that wonderful goodness. Perfect. Oh yeah, right there. This is going to taste so good. Our oven is at temperature. We're going to go ahead and put this on the lower third, and we're going to let that cook for about 1 hour. And 1 hour has elapsed. My house smells like amazing pie, and this pecan pie is done. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take that out of the oven. We're going to let it cool on a cooling rack for about 2 hours, and then you're going to have one of the easiest and most delicious pies you've ever tasted. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing, but helps our channel a lot. Also, we'd like to thank each and every one of you who have been sharing our videos on your social media. It's really helping out and it's making a difference. Have a great holiday, and we'll see you next week.